Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good. So once again welcome back to the class. So today once again beta we will start our chapter number 3, coding and decoding. So in the coding and decoding I have already told you we are doing the number system coding. Okay, first we are doing number system coding, and in the number system coding three types of coding are there. First direct coding, second one position of letters in English alphabet, and third one is given as per given set of rules. So two types of coding already we have done. First one is direct coding and second one is position of letter. So what we have done in the direct coding and position of letters in English alphabet. So you know in direct coding simple numbers of letters are given in the code and you have to find out the answer of the following. In second position of letters, so position of letter I have already told you there are total 26 alphabets in the there are total 26 letters in English alphabets A to Z. If you are starting from A, so you can say the left hand side of the letters, and if you are starting from the Z, so it will be right hand side of the letters. And total letters are there 26 alphabets. After that you can see the position. If you are starting from A, so you will see so you are starting from left hand side. If you are starting from Z, so you can see it will be you are starting from right hand side. So this type of questions already we have done. So direct coding and position of letters in English alphabet, you have to do the practice of the questions. Okay, but I have sent the PDF file and you have to do the practice of the questions. Third type in the number system coding, third type of coding is that as per given set of rules. Okay, coding as per given set of rules. So how will you do the coding as per given set of rules? In this set of rule, this rule is given. Okay, for example, this table is given. These are the letters P, N, A, J, I, R, E, B, U, K. Clear? These are the letters and these are the digits 5, 3, 9, 1, 4, 6, 2, 7, 0, 8. It means P at the place of P you can write 5, and at the place of 5 you can write the letter P. Clear? So these are the letters and these are the coded as the digits 5, 3, 9, 1, 4, 6, 2, 7, 0, 8. This table is already given in the questions, and after that they are saying if both are vowels. Okay, if both are vowels then coded as dollar. Okay, if both are vowels then coded as dollar. If both are consonants then you will code it them as has. Okay, so beta first of all vowel and consonant. So in English you have done, I think. Okay, you know very well what are the vowels, what are the consonants in the English letters. Okay, so there are 26 letters in the English alphabet A to Z. Okay, A to Z. Clear all of you? And what are the vowels? Vowels are 5 vowels are there, and these are A, E, I, O, U. Clear? These are the vowels, and other than all these will be the constants. All the other letters will be constants. Okay, consonants. These are consonants, not constants. Okay, consonants. So vowels, there are how many vowels in the 26 letter in the English alphabet? How many vowels are there? So you can see total 5 vowels are there, and these vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and consonants other than A, E, I, O, U, all the letters will be the consonants. Clear all of you? So these are the vowels and consonants in the English letters or alphabet, you can say. Okay. After that questions are given if both are vowels. Okay, if both are vowels, first and last letter. Okay, it is written beta both are vowels means first, if both are vowels first and last letter. Okay, first and last letter. If first and last letter both are vowels then you will code as dollar. If first and last both are the consonants then you will code as has. Clear? If first and last letter you will write beta first and last also. Okay, first and last both the letters. Okay, first and last both the letters are, if vowel then you will code as dollar. If both are consonant then you will code as H. Clear? Now questions are given what will be code in the you will write the letter R, B, U, K, A, E in the coding language. Okay, so you will write at the place of R, B, U, K, E. So R is representing by the digit 6. So at the place of first you will check first and last letter, because in the question they are giving some condition. So and what are the condition? Conditions are if both are vowels first and last letter then you will code as dollar, and if both are consonant then you will code as health. But here you can see beta this one is first letter and this one is last letter. So first letter is consonants and the last letter is vowel. It means you will not apply the rule here. Okay, you will not apply any condition or any rule, because in the condition or in the rule it is given if both are vowels, first and last should be vowel or consonants, but here one vowel one consonant is given, so you will not apply any rule. Simply you can write letter. Okay, what is the representation of letter? So R is representing as the digit 6, B is representing 7, U is representing by 0, K is representing by 8, after that A is representing by 9, and E is representing by 2. Okay, so 6, 7, 0, 8, 9, 2. At the place of R, P, U, K, A, what will be the answer? So it will be 6, 7, 0, 8, 9, 2. Clear? Second, you have to write this one in the coding language. Clear? So how will you write? First of all, you will, according to the condition, according to the rule, you will check both first and last letter are vowels or consonants. Okay, so here you can say first letter is K and last letter is B. So here both the letters, first and last letter, both the letters are consonants. What are these? Consonants, because the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and both the letters are other than A, E, I, O, U. So you can say K and B, both the letters are consonant letters. If both are consonant, then coded as H. It means at the place of K and B, you will put H. After that, last one also you will put H. Clear? At the place of B. After that, what is left? U, N, A, J. So U, N, A, J. It means U is coded as 0. Clear? Now N is coded as 3. Next A is coded as 9. And next one J. So J is coded as 1. Clear? And after that it will be H. Because at the place of K and B both letters are consonants, and at the place of consonants you will put the sign H. So H 0, 3, 9, 1 H. This will be your answer. Clear all of you? And U and AJ, these coded you can write as it is. U is representing as 0. Okay, N is representing as 3. A is representing by 9, and J is representing by 1. Clear? Now last question, last one. It is given E, B, N, A, P, I. You have to write in the coding language. So simply first you will check according to the rules. If both first and last letter are vowels, so you will represent by dollar. Okay, this sign, dollar sign. And if both the first and last letter are consonants, so you will represent by the sign H. But here you can see the first letter is E and the last letter is I, and A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So it means first and last letter both are vowels. So at the place of first and last letter you will represent this by dollar. So first letter you will represent by dollar. After that the middle numbers you will change in the coding language. So B is representing by which number? So B 7. Next N is representing by 3. A 9. P is representing to 5, and after that last I, this is vowel, so this vowel same you will represent by the sign dollar. Clear? So these type of questions are, you can say these are as per given set of rules. Okay, these type of questions you can do. These are the as per given set of rules. Third type is as per given set of rules. In this set of rule is given, table is given, and after that some conditions, some rules are given. You have to follow this. So first condition is given, if both first and last letter are vowels, so you will represent it by dollar. If both first and last letter are consonants, then you will represent by the sign H. Clear? After that, other than all the letters, you will represent by these digits. Clear all of you? So this is third one rule beta. Okay. So we have done first one in the coding and decoding. We are doing the three types of, first we are doing the number system coding, and in number system coding we will do three types of coding. First one is direct coding and position of letters in English alphabet. So these two we have already done in the previous class, and third type is that as per given set of rules. So these three types of coding we will do in our first exercise beta. Okay, this is chapter number 3. So in 3.1 exercise we will do these three types of coding. Clear? Now we will start the questions from the exercise. Clear? We will start the questions from the exercise. So all the three types of questions as per direct coding, position of letters in English alphabet, and third one is as per given set of rules. Okay, as per given set of rules we will do the coding. Clear? So 3 types of coding we will do in the number system coding. In the number system coding. Clear? So all the 3 types of coding I have told you, beta, I have explained. Now we will start the question. So first we will start our exercise 3.1. Okay. So in exercise 3.1, first question. Exercise 3.1, first question is given. B, A, T is representing by 23. C, A, T is representing by 24. So B, A, double L, what will be code of B, A, double L? Clear? So first of all, in English alphabet, okay, this question is from the position of letters in English alphabets. So in the position of letter, I have already told you, you will learn 2 types of rules. First is E, J, O, T, Y. So place of that will be 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. And second one you will learn B, Z, L, O, B. If you are starting from the right hand side, okay, this one word, this one E, J, O, T, Y, this is you will start from the left hand side and you can say from the letter A, and this will be from, if you are starting from the right hand side, and you can say you are starting from the last letter and Z. So we will be at the 5th place, this one 10th place, 15th place, 20th place, and this will be 25th place. Clear? So you can learn these 2 types, okay, these 2 words in position of letters in English alphabets in the second rule, okay beta, because this is position of letters. Clear? Now we will check first BAT and CAT how we are getting. Clear beta? So BAT, so BAT, according to the English alphabets letters A, B. So B will be at second position, A will be at first position, and T will be at 20th position. Okay, T will be at 20th position. So add them. So it will be 2 plus 1 plus 20. So you will get 23. Clear? 23. Clear? Now second also we will check. So CAT, okay. So first we will write the position of CAT. Clear beta? So position of CAT means C will be at 3rd place, A 1st place, and T will be at 20th place from the left hand side, means from starting from the letter A. So if you will add, so 20 plus 1 plus 3, so you will get the answer 24. It means this is correct, this is correct. It means you have to find out the BALL. Okay, how will you code it as BALL? So same like that, okay. BALL also you will code it as the left hand side, or you can say from the letter A. You will start from the letter A. So B position will be second, A position will be first, L. What is the position of L beta? So after J, what will be the next letter? K, and after K it will be L. So 10, 11, 12. So L position will be 12. So this one will be 12 and this one will be also 12. Clear? Now you can add them. So 2 plus 1 plus 12 plus 12. Clear? So it will be 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 24. So it will be 27. Clear? So BALL you will represent this by 27 is the correct answer. Clear? And in answers they can give like that 26, 27, 28, 29. Is this visible beta? Visible. Okay, fine. So like that options are given 27, 26, 28 and 29. So you have to find out the correct answer. So 27 will be your correct answer. BALL you will represent by 27. So like that you can do the second one rule. Position of letters in English alphabet when the questions is given like that. So first of all you will write these 2 words EJOTY if you are starting the letters from left hand side. So position of these letters will be 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay. If you are starting from the right hand side, so you will learn the letter B, G, L, O, B, and position of letters will be 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Clear all of you? So first question BAT, CAT coded is given already. After that you have to find out the coding language of BALL. So first you will find out what rule you are applying in BAT and CAT. Clear? So you can see here. You are applying the rule from left hand side. Okay, you are adding the numbers, and so here also you will start from left hand side and you can add the numbers after getting the position of the number. Clear all of you? So like that you can complete with that. Now next question, second question. question number second. If E is equal to 5 and HOTEL is equal to 12, then you have to find out LAMB is coded as. Okay, LAMB is coded as, and answers are given 7, 10, 26 and 28. Clear? If E is equal to 5, clear? What is given in the second question, beta? If E is equal to 5 and HOTEL, hotel, is equal to 12, hotel is coded as 12, so you have to find out LAMB. Okay, LAMB is coded as. Okay, so first of all, beta, you will check hotel. How are you getting hotel is equal to 12? So first you have to check this one. So first you will write the places of hotel, HOTEL. For example, if you are starting from the left hand side, so what is the place of H? So first here you can write EJOTY. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Clear? So H, what is the place of H? E, F, G, H. Okay, E after E it will be F, G, H. So E place is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is 8th place. Clear? Now O place is 15th place. T place is 20th place. E place is 5th place. L place is, after J it will be K and L. So 11 and 12. So L position will be 12. Clear? All the position we have written. Now what will you do? Simply you can add them. Okay. So 8, 15, 20 plus 5 plus 12. Clear? So you can add them, beta. 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 20, 40 plus 12 plus 8, you will get 20, and 40 plus 20, you are getting 60. Okay, but here you are getting hotel is equal to 12. So here beta is 60. How can you get 12? When you will divide it by 5, so you are getting 12. So how will you divide by 5? Because in the hotel, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many letters in the hotel are there? 5 letters. So you can divide 60 divided by 5. So you will get the answer 12. Clear? So this is 12. So same you will apply the rule in LAMB also, LAMB. So first you will write LAMB. Position of the letter. So L will be at which position? After J it will be K and L. So L position is 12. A position 1. M position. What is the M position? So after J it will be K, L, M. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So J, K, L, M. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So it will be at 13th position and B second position. Now you will add the letters. So 12 plus 1 plus 13 plus 2. So it will be beta 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 12, 15 plus 13. So you will get the number 28. What are you getting here? 28. Sum of the position of the letter is equal to 28. Now, same rule you will apply. Hotel, how many letters will be there, beta? 5 letters. So you are dividing the sum by 5. Here, how many letters are there in the LAMB? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. So you will divide this sum by 4. So 28 divided by 4. So it will be 7. So 7 will be your answer. Here 7 will be your answer. So which of the following is correct? A option is correct. This is 7. Is it clear? A option is correct and this is 7. Clear all of you? So beta here like that you have to find out the rules. If numbers and letters are equal to written in the numbers, so simply you have to find out the second one rule, position of letters in English alphabet. Clear? And position of letters in English alphabet you have to check. Here if E is equal to 5, HOTL, E is equal to 5. It means at place of E. So place of E, A, B, C, D, E. E is at 5th position. It means here you will apply the rule from the left hand side only. Okay. That's why E is given equal to 5. What is the meaning of E is equal to 5? You can say, ma'am, why we are taking E is equal to 5? What is the meaning of E is equal to 5? So beta E is equal to 5 means place of E is 5. It means you are starting from the letters from the letter A and you can say from the left hand side. So all the letters you will write, all the position of the letters you will write from the left hand side and from the A. Okay. So H is at which position? 8th position, O15, T20, E5, L12, and you can add them. You are getting the answer 60. But you have to get the answer not 60. It will be 12. So 60 you will divide by which number? So you will get 12 beta by 5. So how are you dividing by 5? So you can apply the rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In total 5 letters are there. So you will divide by 5. In LAMB, how many letters are there? 4. So you will divide the sum of the position of letters is equal by 4. So 28 divided by 4. So you will get the answer 7. Is it clear? Now we will start our next question, beta. So like that you can complete your exercise. You have to do the practice of questions, beta. ओके जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपको उतने ही क्वेश्चन समझ में आएंगे, पर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा, ध्यान रखना इस बात का. ओके फॉर एग्जांपल थर्ड वन क्वेश्चन इज गिवन. थर्ड वन, इफ REASON is coded as 5, okay, BELIEVED is coded as 7, so GOVERNME and P is coded as, okay, is coded as, and answers are given 6, 8, 9 and 10. Clear? Third question is given if reason. Reason means what is the spelling of reason? It is given REASON. Okay. If REASON is coded as 5, okay, and BELIEVD is coded as 7. So what is the government is coded as? So beta you have to check here which rule you are following here. So it is coded as 5. So you can check how many letters are there. So 1, 2, how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there, but you are coding here 5. It means it will be 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is coded as 7. Okay, this one believed is coded as 7. Here you are, how many letters you are getting? 8 letters. But here 7. It means you are applying also the same rule. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. And here also total letters minus 1, you are getting the answer 5. Here also total letters minus 1, you are getting 7. So here also in government also you will apply the same rule. So how many numbers, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total letters in government is equal to 10 and coded language will be equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total letters are 10 and you are applying the rule total letters minus 1. So here also you will subtract 1, 10 minus 1 it will be 9. So third option will be your correct answer. Is it clear? Next question. Fourth question beta. First one direct coding and third one as per given set of rules. These are very easy beta. Okay, all will be given in the questions. You have to only put the coding language, coding letter and word, letter and digit only. Okay, but in the second one, position of letters in English alphabet, these type of questions you have to do the practice. Okay, because these are many types of questions and in these type of questions we will follow the trick. Okay, which trick we can follow in the questions, you have to find out the trick in second type, position of letters in English alphabet. Other than direct coding and as per given set of rules, these are very easy. All will be given in the questions. Okay. So fourth question. If DRIVER is equal to 12, PEDESTRIAN is coded as 20, then accident DENT is coded as. Okay, you have to find out if direct. Okay, if direct is, okay, it is also given. This is coded as 16. So you have to find out. Then CAR is coded and T 10. Clear all of you? So here what is the question beta? Question is given like that, if driver is coded as 12. Here driver means DRIVER is coded as 12. Pedestrian PEDESTRIAN is coded as 20. ACCIDENT accident is coded as 16. Then what is CAR is coded as. So here also you have to find any trick or some rule. Okay. So simple beta. First you will check how many letters are there in the driver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letter and you are getting here 12. So 6 you are multiplying by 2. So you will get the answer 12. Clear? Now we will check the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total letters are 10. 10 multiply 2. You will get the answer 20. This is also correct. Third one also you will check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total letters are 8 and 8 multiply 2. You will get the answer 16. Clear? So same rule you will apply in the car also, CAR. So CAR, how many total letters? Total letters multiply 2. You are following this one rule. Total letters multiply by 2. So total letters in CAR. So how many total letters beta? 3. So 3 multiply 2. You will get the answer 6. So 6. This one will be your correct answer, B option. Is it clear? So like that you can find out the rule first. Okay, what trick you are applying here you have to find out. Okay. After that same you have to follow the in questions. Is it clear all of you? Is it clear? Okay, one more question I am explaining. One more question. Question number 5. This is something tricky beta. Okay, mobility. Question number 5. MOBILITY is coded as 46293927. Then you have to find examination. Examination is coded as. Okay, examination is coded as you have to find out. Clear? So first one. Okay, first you will check how will you write, how are you writing first one, what is given beta. This is something tricky question. So how will you find out? MOBILITY is coded as 4. Okay, this one 4, 6, 2, 9, 3, 9, 2 and 7. Okay, so first of all you will check the places. These are the places. Okay, these are the places of the mobility. First you will check. So according to that you will check M. M is at which place beta? JKLM. Okay, JKLM. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Position is 13. M position. O position it is 15. Next B position is 2. This is correct. Okay. Next I position. I position is F G H I. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and next will be 9. Okay. So I position is 9. So this one is also correct. Okay. I position is already 9. L. L is 3. So after J it will be KL. So 10, 11, 12. So L position is beta 12. Okay. L position is 12. I position is 9. I position is 9. Yes, this is correct. This is correct. T position is 2. But T, what is the position of T? It is 20. Clear? And after that Y position is beta 25. But here it is written 7. So 25. Clear? It means B, I and yes, B and I. Position is correct. Other than all the positions are wrong. M is 13 but here it is written 4. It means you will subtract beta 13 minus 9. So what will you get? 4. Clear? 13 minus 9. What will you get? 4. So same in O. Okay, you will subtract 9. So 15 minus 9 you will get 6. This is at second position. Okay, you will put as it is. I is at 9th position. You will put as it is L. L position is 12. So 12 minus 9, what will you get? 3. Okay, 12 minus 9, what will you get? 3. So which rule you are applying here, beta? You are applying the rule when 2-digit number is given, so you will subtract this by 9. Okay, you will subtract the number you will subtract this from by 9. After that you will get the answer. So this is m will be equal to 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. This one will be O position is beta 15. Okay, so 15 minus 9 you will get 6. This is correct position, one letter, because this is here you are getting only one letter, one digit. Okay, I one digit, clear. L position is 12, so it will be 12 minus 9. This is correct. Okay, one digit only. T 20, so 20 is 2-digit number, so you will subtract 9. Clear? So you will get 11 here, but again you are getting 2 digit, so again you will get subtract 9. So 11 minus 9 you will get the answer 2. Is it clear? 11 minus 9, 2. Y position is 25, so 25 minus 9 beta you will get 16, but 16 again you are getting 2-digit number, so again you will subtract 9. So 16 minus 9 you will get the answer 7. Clear all of you? So like that this rule you are applying here. So but how will you write the examination beta? So examination, how will you write examination? E position. So E position is 5. So you will write as it is, because this is 5. This is 1-digit number only. X position. What will be the X position? X, Y. So 24th place. X is at 24th place. So it will be 24 minus. You will subtract 9. X is equal to 24 minus 9. So what will you get, beta? 16. Sorry, 15. Okay. Yes, 15. So 15 is again the 2-digit number. So again you will subtract 9. So you will get the answer 6. Okay. So you will put at the place of X 6. So here what rule you are applying, beta? When you are getting 2-digit number, you have to subtract 9. Again you are getting 2 digits, so again subtract 9. Like that you have to get the, you will do the process until you will get the 1-digit number. Is it clear? A is at first place, so you will write simple 1. M is at which place? M 13. So M place will be 4. I 9. So as it is N place, beta. N place कौन सा होगा? 13 के बाद 14. So 14 minus 9. Okay, you will get 5. Clear? So N is 5. A place is 1. T place. Okay, T place already you have got 2. I as it is 9. O place also you have got 6. N place you have got again this is 5. Clear? So like that you have to complete this question. Okay, first of all you have to find out the rule. What rule you are applying in this type of question? In the second type of question, position of letter in English alphabet. So here what are you doing? In mobility you are writing the letters. If only single 1-digit number you are getting, you are starting from the left hand side of the letter. Okay, position of letters. If you are getting 1-digit number, so you will write as it is. If you are getting 2-digit number, so subtract 9. Again you are getting 2-digit number, so again subtract 9. And you will do the process until you will get the single-digit number. And single-digit number you will write as it is. So like that same in the examination you can write. Clear all of you? So like that you have to do the practice of the questions. Exercise 3.1 you have to complete. If you have any doubt, you can join the doubt class for the doubt session. Is it clear? Thank you so much.